Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to split text into two columns in Canva. Perfect for newsletters, resumes, or any clean, organized layout. It's super easy, no plugin or advanced settings needed. Open Canva and choose the design you're working on or start a blank one. You can use this trick on posters, PDFs, social media posts, anything. Instead of trying to use one long box, you'll create two separate text boxes. Click text from the sidebar and add two body text boxes. Now, split your text manually. Copy and paste half into the first box and the rest into the second. You can tweak the amount to balance the length and make it even. Drag both boxes side by side. Canva will show pink alignment lines to help you center them. Once you're happy, select both text boxes, right-click, and choose Group. Now you can move or resize the entire two-column layout as one unit. And that's it. That's how you create a two-column text layout in Canva in just seconds. Clean, simple, and totally customizable.